shit.
I want to say something about you that I've been holding in my heart for a long time.
It's my birthday. I can dress the way I want to. This is what happened when we meant to go to gym. God is like, you do this gym by fire by force. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bammy Awogbami out here in Morocco. Welcome to my 23rd birthday vlog. Just in case you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell, turn on the notification. Wait, you can't turn on the notification. No, turn on the bell so you can get a notification. Anyway, Sharon basically woke me up. But listen, this guy has exposed and embarrassed my life on her IG page. Just in case you guys have Sharon or my future husband is dead, that's not me, that's my twin. Okay, the cute one are me, but the other ones, nah, G. But anyway, we're gonna pray in a bit, and I think we're gonna go back to bed, or I'm gonna curl my hair for today because I need to be looking cute, not the whole day, but like, you know. I don't think I'm gonna wear makeup in the morning for the activities, but in the dinner time, I'm gonna be looking real cute. So yeah, I just wanted to say hello and introduce this vlog at this very hour because I'm up. Anyway, see you when it's like day broad lights. We're currently on our way to breakfast and we are twinning. We're gonna show you the full outfit when we got like a full mirror. But we've got to eat like quickly because I went back to bed and I'm so freaking tired. But we're just about to get something to eat and I'll be you guys right back. Sharon. We're here for the quad biking and camera ride. So excited.
Alright.
But this place stinks, mate.
Careful.
We've got our head stain on before the air met. All Sharon wants to do is take pictures. I don't think this is for her. She's not like a tomboy. I'm the tomboy out of both of us.
So girly for this.
She's too girly for this, but girl, look at her, she's even holding the thing. She's looking so cute.
It's like I'm gonna perform surgery.
But I feel sorry for my Vans, Tommy. I know you bought this for me, but my Vans is about to turn brown.
Let me see. Do the camera, let me see.
Currently wearing the helmets. Thank you. You're welcome. Bro, man, you gotta be good.
Bye.
How's my good? Oh, glasses. Oh, why is this so wet?
It's not wet, it's just cold.
Oh. I just feel like it's... Can I wear my glasses?
Is this fine?
Yeah.
We need to see. Alright, guys. Alright, eh? No. Like when we're back, we'll take a picture, innit? I'm gonna take this thing now. Alright, mate. Yeah. We literally just came from the quad biking. What do you think?
It was really good.
I loved it.
My
Oh my God.
thumbs hurt.
I feel like this tomboy lifestyle.
I got tired.
Tomboy for the rest of my life because listen, I enjoyed every single bit. Like I want to do again. Like if they give me the opportunity to go again.
I think once is okay for me.
Oh, look at that
One
light.
time for your body.
Nah, but that was good. Listen, if y'all come to like any country, the blue lights. You're so childish. Jesus. This one, nah, thing. I beg move. I don't like that kind of smell. But my nose is running though.
phone है phone है no problem no come here
Leg over. Leg straight over. Go. Like you're getting on the north.
Like, yeah, no,
Welcome.
so
Yes,
short.
yes.
My legs are short.
He's going to lift you out. Watch out.
good
Get your leg over that girl.
good hold tight
You need to hold on.
So guys, we've rode the camel. This camel's here. I ain't doing this kind of thing again because my tie is hurting me. Listen, I ain't for that life. You be looking cute like you're not in pain like me. Like the thing is so like my whole tie hurts, but it's a good experience because I'm not doing it again. Period. At this point, I think I just want to walk to the destination. It's not that far from here. But anyway,
Birthday girl. Woo, 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 woo. Happy birthday to ya. Hey. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
get it. Hey. Oh my god, I'm so grateful for life. Like you guys don't understand. Like you know, like when you've been through so much, but you're.
Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday.
We just go back to the hotel. We just go back to the hotel. I just finished recording like the room tour, so you guys should watch it. That will be the first video to come out. So we're about to eat because we've got spa at 2:30, and then I'm gonna get ready for my birthday dinner. I'm gonna show you what I'm eating. It's really, I don't know if it's nice, but it looks nice. Lol. Alright, guys, we're currently going to the spa with the wig off because I think we're getting some head. Okay, it's alright. It's not even natural hair. Excuse me. Anyway, we're going to the spa, Sha. So guys, we just got back from the spa and it's time for me to get ready. Well, it's time for us to get ready. So it's time to be this phase. So I'll get back to you guys once I've done my makeup and I've worn my outfit. See you in a bit. We are currently on our way to the safari for dinner. I know I'm dressing way too much for a safari, but hey, it's my birthday. I can dress the way I want to. You're still there. so tired. So we just got back from the safari and it was really, really good. I don't know if I really enjoyed it over there because I don't know, that wasn't really what I expected it to be. I just felt like it wasn't a waste of money, it was a good experience, but anyway, I want to thank everyone for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for showing your love, my little cousins, people that sang to me, that made me feel so special. Follow my IG to see all my birthday pictures. I'm gonna leave my name on the screen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next vlog. Deuces.
Happy birthday, Auntie Bammy. I wish you had a good luck at university. If you finish university, have a good holiday. I wish you a happy luck. And also, I want to sing you a song. Before I sing you a song, I want to say something about you that I've been holding in my heart for a long time. You're sweet, you're smart, you're helpful, you're kind, you're nice, you look cute, you look pretty, and I love you. I will always love you forever. You're my only auntie I've ever had in my whole entire life. And I want to sing you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. One and one block. Hip hip. Hi, Auntie Bammy. Thank you. You have my hobby, and I'm going away.
Come and see, you're meant to wish her happy birthday.
For you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Auntie Bammy. Happy birthday to you.
Moments.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl, Bammy Awogbami. Guys, we've been up since 6 something. We're going to some next waterfall. We're not even there yet. It's like 2 hours. It's the north part of Morocco. Northeast, I think. I am so tired. This is our final full day in Morocco. Back to work very soon. Back to reality. But I just wanted to say morning to you guys. And yeah, just waiting to go to where we're going. This place is so bad. Like, if you're coming to Morocco, better take out your cash because now I'm in need of a cash machine. There is no cash machine. Like, we're in a petrol station. How is there a petrol station and there's no cash machine? But anyway, hopefully I'm able to take out some cash so I can get some like souvenirs for my family and friends back home. But if not, well, when they see me, I'm enough to be a souvenir for Morocco. It is what it is. Anyway, guys, I will update you once we get to what's the name of the forest?
Forest?
Waterfall place. What's it called?
I've forgotten.
Ouzoud.
No.
I know it's to do with Ho and do something. But yeah, it's the waterfall. I'm looking good. Like I feel like I look like an adult.
You don't say.
I look like an adult being 23. Like my skin is just glowing or whatever. Like, you know. But anyway, yeah, just wanted to introduce this vlog and everything. Just in case you haven't watched my previous vlog, the first day we were in Morocco and a room tour, I'll link the card up there. So I'll catch up with you guys if I've gotten a cash out, and when we get to the waterfall, I'll get the name for you guys because I do not know the name. And yeah, see you in a bit. This is. So guys, we finally got to, I think it's called Ouzoud Waterfall, but I'm gonna ask the guy for the name again. But we're finally here and we're just gonna walk around the waterfall. And yeah, just wanted to update you. We're in the Ouzoud. I think that's the waterfall. This is like the higher level. I think it's the guy said The tour guide said it's gonna take us to like different levels of where we can see the waterfall. But this is Ouzoud Waterfall. So pretty. I want to dive in. I beg the tour guide don't leave us, so let's go. So, you guys just saw the waterfall. I don't know where we're going next. I'm just following the tour guide. But I'm tired because there's a lot of walking. I'm a city babe. I'm not built for this, please. So.
The pictures are really nice.
Huh?
The pictures are really nice.
Whose pictures?
Your one.
Oh, thank you. I mean,
You haven't looked at all of them, have you?
I only looked at a few. Sharon, we actually haven't shown in this vlog.
Hi guys. It's a really great holiday. Bammy keeps complaining of
Listen,
everything.
the toilet here is disgusting.
Like she's not African, but
I'm African, but when last have I been to any African country 10 years ago? The toilet here is nasty. I hope I don't take any infection in because boy, oh boy.
it's really beautiful. We're just enjoying, you know, natural creation, you know.
I can't wait to go back to London.
We're going tomorrow.
And all these things, yeah. I've lost weight, that's for sure.
Oh my days. 'Cause
10
she took
kg.
10 steps.
And when you're coming to this kind of thing, wear trainers. But because I don't like trainers, I'm wearing the slippers or slipper sandals. But it's actually beautiful here, except from all my complaints. Don't listen to me, it's just a personal thing, okay? But if you do come to Morocco, you should come here. It's really, really beautiful. I think we're gonna move closer to the water. But the problem is, they don't take cash. Guys, I still haven't found the cash points. I don't know I'm gonna get souvenirs for my family, but because I really want to buy some stuff just to remember Morocco. Yeah. Oh, I'm already out of I'm out of breath. But anyway, I'll update you guys on anything that happens. See you in a bit. You guys are gonna see a cute picture of me feeding the monkey. But the struggle to get there, guys, I was so scared because I thought they would pull my wig or something. You're not about to embarrass me, please. No, I'm scared of animals. I don't like animals.
This is the picture.
No, I'll put it on the screen, don't worry. I am so scared of animals, like, and these rich people, they want to be asking money. I already pay money to get inside here. I'm not paying money to feed monkey. I'll sit down, sorry, my friend. Anyways, we're on like to see the other side of the view, so I'm going to show you guys the view. Guys, I made it. So guys, it's time for lunch and we've got some things over here, some rice, potatoes, tomatoes and beetroot and cucumber, and then we've got some lovely bread over here, and we're having our lunch in front of the waterfall. Well, not really in front of the waterfall, but you can see the waterfall, you know, the views of it. And yeah, that's what's about to happen. After we're going straight to the hotel. We didn't end up, we're not going to get any souvenirs because we can't take out cash. There's no cash point here. So I'm a bit upset because I came all the way from London and I can't get souvenirs. So it is what it is. I can't come and kill myself. But yeah, anyway, bon appetit. How did they say it? Bon appetit, everybody.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. We're going now, and we're climbing up all the stairs.
It's too much.
Oh, I can't even speak. This is what happened when we meant to go to gym. God is like, you do this gym by fire by force. Yeah, hurry, I'm here. I can't breathe. Now my heart is actually racing. And then as we're going slowly as well. Guys, we made it to the top. Guys, that walk was a lot. I'm tired. Like, it was a lot of work, but I'm glad we made it. My skin is glowing, hey? Anyway, we made it, guys. Oshan is taking picture. That one is so vain. When your friend is so vain. Excuse me, madam. Can you come? So, it was a lot of work. I feel like this is my gym done. Like, I'm not going to the gym. I've lost like 10 kg today because the walking I did, yeah, I feel like I'm already a size 10. There's a lot of working, man. But I'm happy I did not wear makeup because I'll be looking a hot mess right about now. But anyway, we're going back to the main Morocco. Oh, look at the way she's glowing, so are you dumb? Are you freaking dumb? Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna get the van back to the hotel. Since we're going quite early, well, it's not early anymore, we're gonna get there like around 5. It's like a 3 hours drive or so. We're gonna get there pretty late. We haven't been in the pool, so I don't know if we're gonna go in the pool, but if not, guys, I'm just gonna close this whole Morocco trip here because all is left to do is for us to pack and go to the airport tomorrow and go home. So thank you very much for watching my videos, my vlogs, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Deuces. Bye, guys.